Welcome to Junior Painter. Let's start creating. Hello everyone. Welcome to our crafting time today. Today, we will be making a creative balloon house craft. First, let's take a look at the materials we need. We have a booklet of apple-shaped templates, a few colored markers, a glue stick, some cotton swabs, and some yellow clay. First, we'll use the apple templates to make some decorations. You can see that this template has various sizes of apples, which are very interesting. We can choose a few sizes we like, cut them out of yellow paper, and set them aside. Next, we will start making the house. We will cut out a triangle from a piece of yellow paper to make the roof of the house. Stick this yellow triangle onto a blue background paper, and our house roof is done. Then, we need to make the walls of the house. We will use cotton swabs to represent wooden planks, neatly arranging the cotton swabs and fixing them under the roof with a glue stick. Make sure to arrange the cotton swabs neatly so that it looks more like real wooden walls. Next, we will cut a small rectangle from a piece of yellow paper to make the door of the house. Draw a door handle with a black marker and stick it at the bottom of the house wall. To make the house more vivid, we can also cut out a small window from green paper and draw window panes with a black marker. Then stick it on one side of the house. Now comes the most interesting part. Making the balloons. We will roll many small balls from the yellow clay, making these small balls look like balloons floating above the house. Stick these clay balls above the roof with glue, and use colored markers to draw the strings connecting the balloons, making it look like they are lifting the house into the sky. the whole picture more vivid, we can cut out some clouds from white paper and stick them at the top of the blue background paper, adding a sky effect to our work. You can also decorate the background paper with the apple shapes cut from the apple templates to add some fun. There you have it, a beautiful balloon house craft. Doesn't it look creative and fun? We hope you can try making it too and enjoy the joy of creating and crafting. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your creations.